Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are looking for a flexible side hustle or you want to make some extra income on your own schedule, working as an Uber Eats driver might be the perfect choice for you. So whether you are a student between jobs or just want to earn more during your free time, Uber Eats lets you deliver using your car, your bike, scooter, and even on foot in some cities. So you can work whenever you want with no boss and get paid fast. In this video, I will walk you through everything that you need to know to get started, including who can apply for it, what documents are required, how the app works, and how you can start delivering in just a few simple steps. Now, before proceeding into this video, all the important links and the tools mentioned in this video are listed in the description box below. So don't forget to check those out as well. Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to become an Uber Eats driver in 2025. So before applying, you need to meet the Uber Eats driver's requirements. So in order to become the driver with Uber Eats, you need to be at least 18 years old. You need to have a valid driver's license or any government issue ID for bike or walk delivery. You need to be able to pass the background check, and you need to have a smartphone that can run the Uber drivers app. Now depending on your city, you can deliver using a car, a bike, a scooter, or even on foot in some urban areas. You must also have vehicle insurance if you are using a motor vehicle. So after these requirements, if you see that you are passing the minimum eligibility or you are eligible for becoming the Uber Eats driver, you need to just sign up and apply for the platform. For that, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store and search for the Uber drivers application. Now, once you are able to find the Uber driver app, you need to tap on the install button and you need to install this application in your device. Now after the installation, you need to tap on the open button in order to launch the app, and the interface of this app will look something like this. Over here you need to press continue in the bottom, or if you want to ride with Uber, simply tap on the ride with Uber app, but for now simply tap on the continue option. Afterwards, it will ask you to log in into your account or create your account. So you can create your account here with the help of your phone number or your email address, or you can even continue with Facebook. So you need to provide your login credentials over here and then press continue. If you have selected your phone number or your email address, you will have to verify that with the help of the verification code. Afterwards, it will show you this type of form. So basically, in order to set up your account, you need to just keep on filling the details here. So first of all, it will ask you to select your city. So select your city. If you have a referral code, simply provide that. Then it will ask you to choose what vehicle do you want to use for working with Uber. As you can see over here, you will have cars, bikes, and a bunch of other vehicles. So it actually depends on the city that you chose previously. So you need to select which vehicle you have, and after selecting it, you need to just press continue in the bottom. Now it will ask you to select your language. So tap on the select option and select the language that you speak. Once done, it will redirect you on this page where, based on the city that you have selected, it will show you some of the cards or the identity cards that are issued by your government. So you need to provide all of these one by one. First of all, you need to select that first option, and you need to just take a photo of that card. Tap on the take photo option and you need to align that in the frame. After that, you need to take the photo and upload the documents. Now whichever documents are available here, you need to provide them all. So you need to just upload one by one each and every document. Make sure that the photo that you are uploading here is not blur and it has all the information that is needed. So after these details, you will have to continue with the background check. Once your background check is approved, you will get an email or notification that your account is ready. After that, it will be very easy for you to log in into your Uber driver's account. So after setting it up, you will be able to get the deliveries request. So when you are online in your Uber driver's application, the interface should look something like this. With the help of this interface, you will be able to receive a request with the pickup location, estimated earnings, and drop off area. You will be able to tap on the accept option in order to grab your delivery. You can go to the restaurants, you can pick up the food and follow the in-app GPS to the customer. So after delivery, the app will show you your earnings, which you can manage by tapping on the accounts tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. You can go offline anytime if you need a break or if you want to stop for a day. So Uber Eats pays weekly by default, but you can also use the instant pay to cash out daily. You will need to connect to a bank account or the debit card in the app. You can earn based on the distance, the delivery time, and the pickup and the pick drop off efforts. So you don't forget to take the tips from the customers, and these go 100% to you. So this is how you can become an Uber Eats driver in 2025. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.